Hi all, I'm at Fantasy today and I'm looking at a property here at Fantasy which has a 3 bedroom that includes one master bedroom and 2 standard bedrooms with a nice pool, outdoor area that is available immediately for rent. So if you're thinking of coming out and spending some time here in the paradise and just enjoying this lifestyle, so contact me on +679 86366315 and I can arrange a viewing of this beautiful 3 bedroom, fully furnished and very modern design for you. So look at that. There's a nice big master bedroom, very spacious, very colorful. It attracts a lot of natural lights and does have built-in. As you can see, it's fully furnished. So you just wheel in your bags and start living your life pretty much. It's well designed. So that's the 3rd bedroom. Standard toilet and shower. So yes, as I said, if you are interested in living here at Fantasy, this is a golden opportunity. Give me a call or visit us on our website, which is www.professionalsfiji.com. Give us a call. We are more than happy to arrange a viewing for you at your convenient time, and we can secure this deal immediately for you. It's available for rent now. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.